Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Let's talk about the March giveaways for the Songbirds Garden Block of the Month. We've got three fabulous prizes for you this month. The first one is a free ticket to our VIP workshop for the Songbirds Garden Block of the Month, where you're going to get video tutorials step by step for how to make our quilts. The second prize is a $50 gift card to our shop. You could use it for all kinds of fun things like fabric or books or notions, patterns, lots of fun things in our shop waiting for you. So that's a $50 gift certificate. Our third prize is from one of our sponsors, Poppy Cotton. So I love Poppy Cotton fabrics. They are so pretty. We've used a lot of the Poppy Cotton fabrics in our Block of the Month quilt. So the prize, if you win that one, is going to be this beautiful tote bag, this really adorable charm with a mushroom on it. You could put it on your purse. You could put it on a pair of scissors as a fob. Lots of cute ways to use this. A couple of very pretty quilt patterns. These would be a lot of fun to make. And then also some fabric. So this is all part of prize number 3. Some little fat quarter bundles and this beautiful layer cake in these gorgeous fabrics. They're kind of cottagey looking. Can you see how pretty the pinks are and the blues? Very pretty. So this is part of our prize number 3 from Poppy Cotton, one of our great sponsors. So to enter this giveaway, you need to go to our blog post and fill out the form. It will ask you for your email address and you have to answer the question, what technique would you like to learn? And we will choose 3 winners at random for these great prizes. Good luck.